All right, so I know we've looked at quite a few graphs in this section, so I want to make sure that you're understanding the instructions for this section. Okay, so this is in the inverse section. So I've had people ask me questions on this one. This is finding the inverse of this graph. Okay, well, specifically, I gave you a point to find. Okay, so on this one, I want to find f of inverse of 5. Okay, that's what I want to find. All right, so in my steps that I gave you on the slide, the first thing you needed to do was to make a table. Okay, so we're going to make a table, x, f of x. And to make this table, we're going to look at this graph and we're just going to get the points. And this graph's great because it already gives me my points I need. All right, so if you look at this point's 1, -20. 1, -20. This one is 2, 0. This one is 3, 5. This one is 4, 0. This one is 5, -10. This one is 6, -15. This one is 7, -15. And we're guesstimating some of these. And this one is going to be 8, 0. And then the last one is going to be 9, 35. Okay? Now, the next step I said in the PowerPoint was to make a new table where you switch your x and y values. So I'm going to make a new table, and I'm going to call it the inverse table, and I'm going to switch my x and y. So my y column right here turns into my x column, okay? And then I'm going to take my x's and they're going to turn into my y column. And then I tell you, the next step says, mark out the old table. So I no longer need this table, so not to get confused. And then the next step says, find the y value on the inverse table that goes with the x given. Well, the x given is right here, is 5. So when x is 5, which is right here, what's my y value? 3. So my answer would be 3. Okay? I hope this helps. If you need another video, just keep emailing me, guys.